Before you begin, make sure your speech generating software is not running and that Windows is updated. Then, open the internet and log into your VocaliD account. Scroll down to choose Download My Voice and then choose PRC Windows. Download the voice bundle and the Windows installer. This may take a few moments. Be sure to choose Yes or Run whenever given the option. When able, choose Browse and then open VocaliD Voices. Continue clicking Next, Install, and Run until you are able to press Finish without any more screens popping up. Next, restart your device. Once you are back on, open up your speech generating software and find the Speech Settings menu under Toolbox. Choose Change Voice and find your VocaliD voice. Press OK at the bottom right corner to begin using your voice.